Hello, this is my English speaking practice, and I'm talking about my personal development. Today, I continue to fix the bugs. Yeah, yesterday I worked on the fixing bugs, but I couldn't. Yeah, almost okay, but there is a bug. So today I want to finish it. Yeah. So let me show let let me show you what's happening. Um. Yeah. Just to be safe, um, I reflect, reflect changes to server and client, and run server and run client. Open the browser, create room, okay, and copy room ID and make other player join. Yeah, player 2 and player 3 is joined, and I implemented the time limit feature, so we can specify the time limit deadline in seconds. Yeah, to make the debug easily, to make the debug easier, uh, player 2 and player 3 have 2 seconds as a time limits. So it means these players plays automatically in 2 seconds. Update settings, yeah, reflect it and start game. Yeah, player 3 and player 2 is already player 2 and player 3 already moved, and this is my turn. Yeah, oh, it works. I confirmed synchrogate works well. This is a parse terminal. Yeah, we can parse datafish, but yeah, there is a bug. Never the this this display never changed. Never change. Yeah. So I needed to fix this bug. Yesterday I was looking into this. Yeah. Yeah, this task is executed, but mm, yeah, this is called, and yeah, yeah. for the debugging, I want to see the task queue. How is task queue? So in the do tasks function, the task loop is executed, and yeah, we can see these lines, and the task result is continue, so the loop is continuing. But yeah, I asked the log for watching task queue. Yeah, for now, okay. Push your default action to the queue. So okay, the problem is not updated. TL object, time limit object is not updated. Yeah, although cell resource action is taken place correctly, this is not updated, so no, this is not a real problem, because for the first time I pushed this button, it is within the time limit, time deadline, so it's not related, I think. Push this button, and the required action should be updated. Yeah. Oh, I see. Just update notification. So yeah, required action is updated. Yeah. And also time limit object is updated here. So for example, yeah, just notification is not good, because yeah, need to update required actions and time limit and request validations or something like that. For example, yeah, here. Yes, yes, yes. I understand. I understand the structure, structure of the problem. Mm, in in this case, in the by resource, yeah, this is just notification, but it's okay. In the in the previous assumption, yeah, in the previous assumption, this is okay, to just to add notification like this, because after this task, the task end, a turn end task is appended, should be appended, because because this is the move handler and movies happened, and here is for checking actions after movement, and yeah, there are a lot of checking actions, checking functions, and by resources, here, yeah, yeah, if the player move on the purge terminal, this this handler append this required action, cell resource, and task result is pause. So what I want to say is, after selling resources, turn end task is executed. So in the cell resource tasks, there is no need to set required actions, because in the turn end task, the required actions is set. But now, in this handler, yeah, just add notification and not update the required actions. So the problem is, I think task validation is updated to type any, so it is good. This is a sign to allow to execute next tasks. Yeah, so this is good, but Mm, why I should find the reason why the next task is not executed. Mm, so take a look at uh, cannot see the log. Mm, so let's take a look at here. Yep. Required action should be updated, um, but in the cell resource, I expect the required action is updated in the turn end task, so I expect no need to be updated required action in the cell resource tasks. And regarding task validation, yeah, I already update the task validation to type any because it's needed to execute next task. Yeah, and I don't think there is no need to update request validation because it's just doing task queues, so there is no new request. So yeah, it's no need to care about this. And how about time limit? Yeah, time limit is should be updated because in the cell resource handler the task is executed successfully, so the time limit should be resetted to be set empty. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. But this, let me fix about this. But this is not root cause, I think. And I want to Okay. Okay. It works. Okay. So the problem was problem is we didn't update the time limit object. So the time limit object remains with same value. So but why? I can't see the problem. Yep. Copy terminal works. Copying progress. But this data fish didn't reflect it. Why? Yeah, copy is executed successfully and we can see the log here, but here is not updated. So but here is game state is updated correctly. So what? It's so fast. It's so fast. Maybe 2 seconds. So I think wow. Wow. Okay, let's fix it. Okay. This is start virtual share. Not updated here. It's same as purge terminal. So we should we should reset the time limit object. Yeah, so you can see the yeah proposal of share capacity virtual sharing is executed every seconds. It comes from heartbeat, and heartbeat trigger the default tasks. So yeah, I need to review the whole projects and should fix the same process. Yeah, so there is some part to be fixed. Uh, yeah, we should time limit. We should set the time limit to null to null. Yeah, so task handler, and for example, propose alliance. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. This is a propose alliance handler. So this is called when the player propose or propose starting to start virtual sharing. But there is a case when the player want to skip. In this case, we need to set the time limit, and also need to resume task. And yeah, I think like this. And this is this is possible to happen during the game, because this means player want not to start virtual sharing, but this case something wrong as a game state. So but in order to advance the game phase, we need to do like this. This is same, and yeah. So I just have fixed. I have fixed just the case when the player apply the virtual sharing. So yeah, this is my bad. I should have taken care about this case. Yeah. So this is good. Yeah, this is good. Yeah. If the player want to start virtual sharing, player apply to another player. So this object is used for the another player who proposed alliance. Yeah, like this. So this is good, and yeah. So I should have implemented the unit tests to detect these bugs. Yeah. But now I don't implement the new tests. So I'm going to find bugs one by one, where I'm playing the game. Yeah. Propose alliance or accept alliance as well, because if not accepted, yes, required action is updated, but and I think resume task GS. Yeah, like this. So, I want to add time limit. I want to add a process where the time limit is set to null in the resume task, and remove this line, and also go back to propose alliance, delete it. So basically I have to change type continue. This should be resume task. Basically in this case, this means expecting for other players' action. So this is used with this process. So time limit is set, request validation is set, task validation is set, and required action is set, and the task result should be pause. This is one set. This is one group. In this case, the player already have vehicle, so cannot buy vehicle and just add notification until now. But now, in this function, time limit set to null and task validation is updated, and return state and task result is continue. So we can resume task queues. Resume to execute task queues. Time limit object is resetted. Mm-mm. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Mm, in the check exchange handler, how about this? Mm. But basically, yeah, need to need to do that in the same way. Yes. Yes. Check mining handle. Yes, 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 yes. Not bad. Hmm. Hmm. Mm. Hmm. Yep. This is no. This is just update the mm, just update the player settings. So I think about it later. For now, this function is not used. Okay, so yeah, yeah. So refresh. Yeah. Hmm? Can I broadcast? Hmm. So okay. Mm. Yep. Good. Wow. Too fast. Hmm? Why? Have I checked? I have checked this bugs before. Mm-mm. Mm, celery sauce. Yeah, let's look at log. Yeah, good, 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 good. Move, continue, and checking task is executing. Share capacity share, and confirm interest, and check proposal alliance, and buy vehicle. Buy vehicle? No. Check mining, check market, check exchange, pause. Yeah. And remaining task is check station and check resource, check setup trap, and turn end. Yeah. These are executed, should be executed. And at the time, heartbeat happens, and the log is, yeah, log is saying that, and task queue is, yeah, like this, and the expect task is, yeah, yeah, salary source is expected as a next task, so this is good, this is okay. And hmm? I understand. I understand. Yeah, here the remove the first element from the task queue. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm, like this. So never remove until the validation is successful. If the validation is successful, yeah, call shift function. This is to remove the first element from an array and returns it. So yeah, this is good. Okay, I understand the problem and I can fix it. So test again. Refresh. Okay. Create room. Yep. Yep. Start. Too fast. I think this is because misconfiguration. Yeah, I don't have enough money, so in this node the action is skipped. This is correct behavior. Yeah. Yes. Good. Good. Oh, okay. I try to share. Yeah, share their share capacity with player 3. Yeah. Good. Okay, so I need to fix the bug about the time limit configuration settings and not reflecting this area. So I needed to fix the problem where the numbers are showing up, aren't showing up in this area. Values are not reflected in this area. Yeah. So in the client side, player why this is I have a guess, because I changed to send a heartbeat every seconds. So this screen is updated every seconds, but in the area the reflection process is like this, and yeah, this is this is supposed to be updated a certain time later. So before the value is updated, the screen is rendered newly rendered. So yeah, duration is 2 seconds. So yeah, I think so. So I should make the effect which comes from the heartbeat make the effect which comes from heartbeat small. Yeah, but I'm not professional, so I didn't know. For example, this is called every seconds. Yeah. This is difficult. Console. Yeah, like this. Yeah. So but this is not problem. Because there is no log about in player curve. I'm not sure. Every seconds the send message is executed. Send message function is executed. The in player code game state is updated, so what's wrong? There is an English display. you are doing something like this, then you are showing stale or skipped value depending on remove set in power. If the received value is not changed, I want to avoid the re-rendering. Yeah. Okay, I see. So I need to fix the here. Yeah, here. And like this. Previous okay, I see. Originally event.data is yes, and this is string, so yeah, this is correct, I think. Okay, rerun test. Not updated. So let's take a look what's happening. Yeah. choice. Same. Previous resource. Oof. Mm? Mm. This is called this is not called. Okay, I see, I see, I see. Yeah. In return is called. In use effect, the amount seems to happen. The yeah. Use effect clean up because the component amounts. Not amount. Maybe re-rendering. Mm, let me test what if I change the duration for heartbeat to 3 seconds. Same problem. Same problem here. Okay, I see. Is this related? I have throat ache. Mm, okay, today I I'm into fixing bugs, and now I have no idea about this, how to fix it, so I cannot explain it. So, and I have throat ache, so I'm gonna finish. So thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.